The Oster Air Fryer Oven stands out with its spacious XL 42-liter capacity and sleek stainless steel French doors. I have provided the link to this countertop oven in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Designed for modern kitchens and busy lifestyles, this oven does more than just air fry. It offers 10 different cooking functions including bake, slow cook, dehydrate, and toast. That means you can prepare everything from crispy French fries to a full-sized roasted chicken or even 2 large pizzas without needing separate appliances. The versatility makes it perfect for families, meal preppers, and home chefs who want more from their countertop space. What makes the Oster Air Fryer Oven even more appealing is its energy-efficient performance. It preheats significantly faster than traditional ovens and uses up to 50% less energy, which not only saves time but also lowers your energy bills. The digital touch control panel ensures precise adjustments of temperature and cooking time, helping you avoid overcooked or underdone meals. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or air frying wings, the accuracy of this oven's settings supports consistent, delicious results every time. The built-in interior light and multiple rack positions also enhance usability, allowing you to monitor progress and cook more than one dish at once. Aesthetically, the oven's design is just as impressive. The stainless steel finish gives it a premium look that fits well in any kitchen setting, while the French doors open with a single pull for convenient access, even when your hands are full. It's also built to handle larger meals thanks to its deep interior, accommodating bakeware up to 15 by 12 inches. This oven brings professional-level cooking to your countertop without the bulk or power draw of a full-size oven. For those who value style, functionality, and efficiency in one appliance, the Oster Air Fryer Oven is a smart investment.